Which is the most cost-effective way here? No matter what car you have, you should use fully synthetic motor oil, and the quality of this engine oil must be guaranteed to be genuine. Generally, I recommend you just need to use full synthetic motor oil. You should change it every 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers. There is no problem. Moreover, just change the oil and oil filter. What about cleaning? Generally, it is recommended to keep it several tens of thousands of kilometers apart. Just clean the throttle valve. As for the air filter, you basically change the oil 2 or 3 times. As for the air filter, you basically change the oil 2 or 3 times. Just change the air filter. When should the gas filter be changed? The air filter cycle is longer. You change the air filter 2 or 3 times and then the gas filter once. And these gas filters are installed in the fuel tank integrated with the petrol pump. What is the oil pump is broken? Just replace the gas filter. Manual transmission. You have to remember, as long as it is the original transmission oil, at least change after 200,000 kilometers. Then when should the automatic transmission oil be changed? For a T, I generally recommend you change it around 100,000 kilometers. For CVT, you change it after 80,000 kilometers. The methods of changing oil. Direct gravity exchange is the most practical. When changing the oil, always remember to replace the transmission filter. There is an important step in an engine that requires regular inspection and replacement. That's the timing agency. The timing chain is checked every 100,000 kilometers. Only change what needs to be changed and keep running if you don't need to change it. But the timing belt must be replaced after 100,000 kilometers. Ordinary spark plugs can be checked after about 50,000 kilometers. If it is a platinum spark plug, you only need to check and replace it every 100,000 kilometers. When should the brake pad be replaced? Nowadays, most high-end cars are equipped with brake alarm lines. Even if it wears out the alarm line, you can still run it for another 3 or 5,000 kilometers. And when changing, the alarm line must be changed together. As for brake discs, you basically need to replace brake pads and brake discs 2 or 3 times. And there is no need to replace the brake disc with the original one. The original one is too expensive. This tire is basically replaced every 70 or 80,000 kilometers. As for the rest, that's all you need to know about when to replace it if it breaks.